Welcome back to Roots and Recipes. I'm Mikhail Anthony. Today, I'm excited to share my journey of transforming my side yard into a garden, starting from scratch. First up was my pepper tree Pepe. I had to trim some of its branches to make room for the garden. It was a tough choice, but I knew it had to be done. With the help of my family, we cleared the area of weeds and set a weed barrier to keep them at bay. Next came a big challenge, installing 24 posts into the ground. I handled that part myself, which turned out to be quite the workout. After staining each post, my neighbor Aaron came over and helped me put up the hog wire fence. He saved me a ton of time. I also built a gate from scratch. Yeah, it's a little wonky because of the slope, but it works, and I'm proud of it. Handles here, you gotta open that there, and it works, it's functional, but unfortunately, because of the incredible slope, with the fencing up to keep the dogs out mainly, I focused on the soil. I mixed in chicken manure, worm castings, and to enrich the native dirt. This combination will give my plants a solid start. After watering everything, I prepared to transplant my vegetable seedlings, which include Japanese cucumbers, Japanese eggplants, Chinese cabbage, curly kale, and spaghetti squash. I also directly sowed seeds for turnips, radishes, okra, and carrots. I'm looking forward to seeing them grow and thinking about the meals I can make with them. Our cute little starter garden. I can't wait to see it transform into our vision. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. What's up, Thor? What's up, Thor?
It's a beautiful day, call the peeps to come out and play. Well, have a good time living the life of